Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the evidence. Copy the exact prompt and model version and paste the response into a clean document. Once done, highlight each core claim dates, names, numbers, and causal phrases so you know what to check. Make sure to add context lines, like preceding and follow-up messages. This helps reproduce the output. Then, prepare 2 browser tabs, one for independent sources and one for the model, so you can compare claims side by side without losing track. Now dig into verification. Search for primary sources, official reports, databases, and timestamped archives, then confirm with reputable secondary coverage. Once you find a source, quote the exact sentence and compare it to the model claim, noting omissions or distortions. Next, test reproducibility. Rerun the prompt with small wording changes and a lower temperature to see if the claim persists. If patterns change, record variability. This explains whether inconsistencies finish by assigning a clear verdict, supported, misleading, unsupported, or mixed, and list the evidence lines that led you there. Then compile a 1-page audit. Prompts, model ID versions, response copies, source links, and timestamps so others can verify your work. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by isolating variables. Simplify the prompt to a single claim, set temperature to a stable value, and rerun to see if the issue reproduces. If it does, your error is likely systemic rather than accidental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.